The third recorder in the office area. And again, I'm gonna allow this to record for about 10 minutes on each recorder. Close the window. Pretty loud with the train. And I'm just gonna go about my business and talk, do my work while I'm cooking my dinner and see which spirits would like to just come forth and if they have a couple of words to say. I can feel energy building up around me, which is pretty cool. That means that someone or some people are probably around. And as I'm doing this, I'm going to add one more recorder here in the other part of the room where our antique water pictures are, or whatever, boats or whatever you want to call them. So I'm going to add one more recorder to this area here. And just see where the spirits are, and if anybody wants to come forth and say anything. Hi to everybody in the spirit world. I welcome you with my light. And I'll see if anybody wants to come by and maybe say something or say hello, or if they have a message to say. So, and I'll just go about my business. You might hear me, for the listeners, in the background, because I'm vaping at the table and I am drinking my coffee. So there are spirits that are around. You may tap on my tables, and if you decide to let me know your presence by moving something, I just ask that you don't break anything. Don't break anything. Yep, and don't crack any of the crystals. You can use the energy. So we have quite a few crystals that cost a lot of money in specimens. So if they break, then quality would go down. Okay. Again, here in the other room, in the office room, I'm leaving this open for you all to talk to me, and I'm just gonna go about my business. Hope that you all are doing fine today. That everybody's happy. Everybody's pleased. And everybody here feels welcome around my energy. My energy is pretty high today. I feel it. I can't tell you what frequency, but I'm in a very, 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 very good mood today. And I can feel you all gathering around me, so that's a good thing, right? I'm just going to go about my business and allow you to freely speak. And I would just like to give a thank you to the wonderful spirits that actually pronounced my name right. You all pronounce my name better than some people that I know is living. So whoever you are, the people that have taken the notice that my name is Ardelia, thank you very much for mentioning my name on the recorders and the one last night. The gentleman, the man that talked last night and spoke and said my name Ardelia. And also thank you for the lady. There are two different ladies that also say my name Ardelia often on my recorders. I thank you all. And if you want to identify yourself, it's your free will. If you don't, still you're welcome here, and thank you for accompanying my journey and allowing me to record you. And thank you. And so I think it's a good lesson to show people that they have nothing to fear as far as spirits being around them, right? I mean, it's not like majority of people can sense them or see them. So, I mean, just to know, hey, you're not alone, and there are other spirits and other dimensions and other beings that are around us also, yeah, the whole day. There's often always somebody watching you from somewhere. So I'm just here on my phone. So that's my phone.
Hey guys, what's happening?
I'm gonna turn the video down just a little bit, right? So let's just see where we are here with everything. We're probably gonna go and sit upstairs later on tonight. So, is there anybody that's doing anything special in the spirit world or here with us? Do y'all have any plans? Is there a certain topic you want to talk about, or you just want to just breeze through and say something in my recorders? You're welcome to do that as well. Because that was my telephone. They can do Facebook videos. If there's a specific type of music you would like to listen to, you all, I'm welcome also to play it for you. I know the music that I play in my house, you're very attracted to it. I do listen to a lot of cello music, violin music. I listen to a lot of classical music as well. I'm a big fan of classical music. That was my belly. It just did a short growl. So if there's a name or anything that you would like to share with us, or a shout out hello to anyone, if you want to mention their name and say hi or whatever, that you're okay, you're welcome to do this as well. We have our Gerhard coming home. We have to turn the recorders off. I'm in the middle of recording, but I'll turn off all the recorders. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 recorders on. You can just say hi if you want to.
Love you.
I love you too. Let me turn off the recorders now. I was just doing a small test. This recorder is one recorder ran out of battery. Great. I've been talking in the recorder for no specific reason. It ran out of battery. I didn't even notice it. So let me turn this one off. We're at 10 minutes and 58. We're at 11 minutes. This one gets turned off. This one is at 8 minutes and 7 seconds. Turn off. This one here is already off. And let me turn off the one in the office area because I'm quite sure you're about to go into a meeting. This one's at 9 minutes and 39.